As livestock producers, we can take full advantage of Bale King's latest line of hay equipment. Bale King has built its rock-solid reputation around machines like the 5100 bale processor, which is constructed with outstanding precision and durability from the ground up. Flotation tires mounted on 8-bolt hubs and large spindles carry the load. The heavy-duty driveline and gearbox powers the patented X-rotor with its heavy flails for uniform material flow. The 3 hydraulic lines power the high-torque bale rotation motors, the bale loading forks, and the 4-way adjustable deflector chute, which changes from bunk to windrow feeding to long-range spreading. From the adjustable throat, which is designed to eliminate plugging, even with wet material, to the hay confining bale chamber, the 5100 is built for easy operation. So if you're ready to upgrade your hay feeding, or needing to spread that 60-foot swath of fiber for erosion control, then hitch up to the Bale King 5100.